The Lighthouse Keeper's Secret, a tale of friendship and discovery. In the small coastal town of Seabrook, there stood an old lighthouse, perched on the edge of a rugged cliff. The lighthouse, weathered by years of salty winds and crashing waves, had guided countless ships safely to shore. It was a beloved landmark, known for its powerful beam and the mysterious aura surrounding it. The lighthouse keeper was an elderly man named Mr. Wainwright. He had lived in Seabrook all his life and had tended the lighthouse for over 4 decades. He was a quiet man, known for his solitary nature and deep connection to the sea. Despite his reclusive lifestyle, Mr. Wainwright was respected and admired by the townspeople. One sunny afternoon, a young boy named Jamie was playing near the docks. Jamie was a bright and curious child, always eager to explore and learn. He had heard many stories about the lighthouse and its keeper, and his imagination was filled with images of hidden treasures and secret passages. As Jamie wandered closer to the lighthouse, he noticed Mr. Wainwright standing at the base, gazing out at the horizon. Summoning his courage, Jamie approached the old man. "Hello, Mr. Wainwright," he said politely. "Do you mind if I ask you about the lighthouse?" Mr. Wainwright turned to the boy, his weathered face breaking into a gentle smile. "Of course, young Jamie. What would you like to know?" Jamie hesitated for a moment, then blurted out, "Is it true that there are secrets hidden inside the lighthouse?" The old man chuckled softly. "Ah, the tales that children tell. There are many stories about this place, but not all of them are true. However, there is indeed a secret that the lighthouse holds, one that I have guarded for many years." Jamie's eyes widened with excitement. "Can you show me?" Mr. Wainwright looked thoughtful, then nodded. "Come with me, and I will show you something special." They climbed the narrow spiral staircase to the top of the lighthouse. The view from the top was breathtaking, with the vast expanse of the ocean stretching out before them. Mr. Wainwright led Jamie to a small room beneath the light itself. In the center of the room was an old, ornate chest. "This chest has been in my family for generations," Mr. Wainwright explained. "It contains a map that leads to a hidden treasure. But this treasure is not gold or jewels. It is something far more valuable." With trembling hands, Jamie watched as Mr. Wainwright opened the chest and carefully unfolded the map. It was beautifully drawn, with intricate details and symbols. "This map leads to the heart of the sea," Mr. Wainwright said. "It is a place where the sea's magic is at its strongest, where the ocean's true beauty can be seen." Jamie was captivated. "Can we go there?" Mr. Wainwright smiled. "Yes, but it is not an easy journey. It requires courage, patience, and a deep respect for the sea." "Are you ready for such an adventure?" Jamie nodded eagerly. "I'm ready." The next morning, they set out in Mr. Wainwright's small boat. The journey was long and challenging, with rough seas and unpredictable weather. But Jamie's determination never wavered, and Mr. Wainwright's experience and knowledge guided them through the toughest moments. As they sailed further from the shore, Jamie felt a sense of wonder and excitement. The ocean was vast and mysterious, and he felt a deep connection to it. Mr. Wainwright taught him about the sea's creatures, the stars that guided their way, and the importance of respecting nature. After several days at sea, they finally reached a secluded cove. The water here was unlike anything Jamie had ever seen, a brilliant turquoise that shimmered in the sunlight. "This is the heart of the sea," Mr. Wainwright said softly. They anchored the boat and waded to the shore. In the center of the cove was a small island, covered in lush vegetation and colorful flowers. At the highest point of the island stood a magnificent tree, its branches reaching towards the sky. "This tree is the heart of the sea," Mr. Wainwright explained. "It is said to hold the ocean's magic, and it is a symbol of the bond between the sea and those who love it." Jamie stood in awe, feeling the magic of the place wash over him. "It's beautiful," he whispered. Mr. Wainwright placed a hand on Jamie's shoulder. "Remember this place, Jamie. It is a reminder of the wonders of the world and the importance of preserving them. The true treasure is not something you can hold in your hands, but something you carry in your heart." As they made their way back to Seabrook, Jamie felt a profound sense of gratitude. He had discovered not only the secret of the lighthouse but also a newfound appreciation for the world around him. He knew that he would carry the lessons he had learned with him for the rest of his life. Back in Seabrook, Jamie shared his adventure with his friends and family. The story of the heart of the sea became a cherished tale in the town, inspiring others to explore and appreciate the beauty of nature. Mr. Wainwright continued to tend the lighthouse, but he was no longer seen as just a solitary figure. He became a mentor and friend to Jamie and the other children of Seabrook, teaching them about the sea and the importance of respecting and protecting it. Years passed, and Jamie grew up, but he never forgot the adventure that had changed his life. He became a marine biologist, dedicated to studying and preserving the ocean's wonders. And every time he returned to Seabrook, he visited the old lighthouse and Mr. Wainwright, grateful for the wisdom and friendship that had set him on his path. The lighthouse continued to stand tall, its beams shining brightly, a symbol of hope and guidance for all who ventured near. And the secret of the heart of the sea remained a cherished memory, a reminder of the magic and beauty that exists in the world, waiting to be discovered by those with the courage to seek it.